Do it. We're gonna come over here and look at Kelsey's new hair. She's a whole different person now with her highlights. Ooh, Grand, that looks good.
Thank you.
My grandma's house is so cute. So good.
One. Go for it. Just get up and walk away. Too late. Ah, I farted.
Who's saying?
Hey, can you pick up this and
That's
Is it
good,
my turn?
Mama. Oh my goodness.
Oh, get it off me!
Where'd it go?
Oh my gosh! Aunt Charlene, what is your favorite thing about Thanksgiving, or what are you thankful for?
My favorite thing about Thanksgiving is getting to see everybody and just hanging out with the family. And what am I thankful for? Health. And having
redo.
Go.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Thankful for all the great food.
like that.
Thankful for all this food.
Thankful for her.
That's what I said.
And what was the other question?
What's your favorite part about Thanksgiving?
The rolls. The rolls are good.
You ready? I'm thankful for my sweet family and my humble children. Ansley, who don't ever include me in her Thanksgiving thanks. I love you too, Ansley.
I'm thankful for my friend Lauren right here. She's great.
I'm thankful for my family and for good food and for internet shopping online.
The food, I guess. Hunting. Coming to grounds.
I'm thankful for my family, Ansley, Jordan, Kelsey, Landon, Sean. And there we go.
I am thankful for Pop, because he helped me so much. I'm thankful for Jordan and Ansley and Lauren and Kelsey, all my pretty girls and all my handsome grandsons, Cameron, Landon, Sean, Dylan, all my kids, grown-up kids, all their spouses.
You needed to do that.
Let's see. I'm just thankful that we're all here together as a family, because I love being with my family, and I love to cook for my family.
He ain't a talker, Jordan. You ain't gonna get it.
Just
Good
say
pop.
what you're thankful for, or what your favorite thing is.
Just what? That's too much.
Come on.
What is this for? I'm thankful for my family.
Go.
I'm thankful for all you grandkids, all my family, and thankful for this freedom that we have in this country so far. Still have for right now.
Yeah, I'm thankful for my whiskers.
Yes, come on. I'm waiting on
I'm
you.
thankful for my whiskers.
I'm thankful for my wonderful redo.
Cut!
I'm thankful for my beautiful wife and my beautiful daughters and my loving dog.
She said say go. I'm thankful for family, friends, football, fellowship, and food for Thanksgiving.
Amen.
I'm thankful for having the opportunities that I have and being able to see my family all the time and all my friends and being able to celebrate. And I don't think that Thanksgiving should be just focused on one day of the year, because we should be thankful every single day of the year.